that you barely feel. A quiet little shift in the spinning wheel. Ocean rising with a whoosh, car whoosh. Ice drip falling with a ticky tush. Baseline walking like it knows the truth. Earth hums low like a lion in the booth. Nothing loud, nothing wild, nothing breaking through. Just a whisper in the corner saying something's new. Funk bounce, hip hop cadence is that slow creep, sliding in the back of your mind. You don't notice till the signs all start to align. Then blow, it hits you like a drum line grind. A rhythm in the air, you can't rewind. Wake up, tune in, the moment's getting right. Not fair, not doomed, just a shift in the light. Hold steady, breathe deep, keep your vision inside. The slow creep turn sharp when the timing's right.
Reggae hybrid, weather and heavier. Storm clouds building with the rummy roller. War mare holding every drop it stole. Rain hits harder with a bam bim bam. Sky cracks open like a thunder slam. Sea climbs higher in a patient rise. Not a rush, not a road, just a long surprise. You look one day and the shorelines change. That's the slow creep working in the water rain.
Hop, snip, yeah.
Summer stretch long like a vinyl groove. Snow melts, early season start to move. Fire lines flicker with the shh.
Not chaos, just a longer map. And what? Hip hop night, just a slow creep, sliding in the back of your mind. You don't feel it till the signs all start to align. Then crack, it hits you like a baseline grind. The truth in the heat, you get unwound. Wake up, tune in, the moment's getting right. Not sudden, not wild, but it's stepping in the sky. Hold steady, breathe deep, keep your spirit upright. The slow creep turn sharp when the time is right. Reggae roots set in a light. Plant that seed, let the green push through. Roots dig deep like they already knew. Leaves lift up with a swish, I sway. Turn the heat in a breath every single day. Grow that shade where the ground runs bare. Let the vines climb high, let the trees repair. Every sprout is a shield in the warm in there. A little piece of balance we can all share. Funk bounce, hip hop ghettos is that low creep, sliding in the back of your mind. You don't see it till the signs all start to align. Then boom, it hits you like a drum line grind. A shift in a world you can't decline. Wake up, tune in, the time is right here. Not bang, not cares, just a message to hear. Stand tall, plain lies, keep the vision clear. The slow creep is hard when the truth draws near.
Yeah.